guys, it is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back right now because I have not posted in 2 weeks. I just finished like all my exams. I did a year 12 exam. I did 2 year 12 exams. Most stressful thing of my life. I don't want to talk about it. My skin like broke out all down here like it always does when I'm stressed. So whatever. But yesterday was Black Friday and I actually went Black Friday shopping and I wanted to show you everything that I got because I love filming hauls. I've filmed 2 now and they're like my favorite videos to film ever. So if you do like them, let me know and I'll keep filming them. I went shopping to like my big shopping center near my house on the plans of like buying from everywhere, but I ended up only buying a lot of stuff from GLASSONS, which I always knew GLASSONS, didn't realize how good GLASSONS was. They have some really good stuff in there and it's super cheap and they had 30% off store-wide, I think it was. And I think it actually might still be on if you're watching this the day this uploads. I think it, maybe, I don't know, I'll say it on the screen if it's not. But yeah, before I get started, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, press the red button, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get started. Okay. So I actually went in twice, but I kept in one bag because I didn't want to get a new bag, obviously. So I'm just gonna get started. I got some things that like I would never usually get. And also I just got a lot of basics because it is now coming into summer. It's summer in like 5 days and I realized I don't have like any summer clothes. So if you guys want to see a summer haul, let me know because I will happily do that. The first thing that I got is actually one of my favorite pieces that I picked up. And it is these dark green sweat shorts. Oh, there's like a fluff on it. So I own nothing in this color like at all. Green, funnily enough, is just never been a color that I go to because I don't know, I've always thought greens never looked good on me and they probably still don't look good on me. I'm definitely a red or a blue person, but the color is just gorgeous. I don't even know what this color is called. It is called bottle green. So yeah, these are just dark green sweat shorts which are super in right now. I've been seeing sweat shorts everywhere, so I definitely wanted to pick up some for myself and I feel like these are just going to be such a cute essential in summer, but also they're so comfy. All about comfort, as you guys may or may not know. So I like got rid of all my denim shorts that were like really short and I replaced them with all like 3/4 denim shorts, which are my favorite because they're so much more comfier. And then obviously these are even more comfier because they're literally like trackies but shorts, if that makes sense. So yeah, these are super cute and they're super flattering. I tried these on and I loved them. So I'm really happy that I picked these up because I can just chuck them on in summer. You don't want anything like hitting into you in summer, especially like if you've just had a big barbecue, you're by the pool. Not that you would wear these probably by the pool. I mean, you can, but like, you know, you don't want anything tight in summer or ever, to be honest. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. This is probably like I reckon my second favorite purchase. I'll show you what my favorite is in just a sec. Okay, so the next thing that I got are just 2 basic tops. I think it's really important to have basics, obviously, which is something that I never usually buy. I always buy random, like crazy stuff that I love for like a moment, for one look, and then I never want to wear it again, which is such a bad habit. So picking up basics is super important. So I picked up this black tank top. I feel like I have so many black tank tops, but this one looked really good and I loved it. I loved the material. It's like a ribbed material, so it's super supportive. So I'm really hoping I can wear this without a bra. I probably may have to, but we'll see. And then I also got it in this tanned color, which this color's been in for a while now. It's tanned or like a nude color kind of. I feel like this would just look super good. Some flowy black pants. Not that I own flowy black pants, do I? No, I do not own flowy black pants, but if you do, this will look really cute. Flowy black shorts maybe. But yeah, I love this color and they had heaps of these tank tops in all different colors. So if you need some basics, I would highly recommend getting these. I love them. Okay, so the next thing that I got is probably one of my favorites as well. It's not my favorite, but no, okay, it's not my favorite. This was from the vintage section in GLASSONS, which I never ever knew that GLASSONS had like a vintage section. They had heaps of Harley Davidson t-shirts, which If you know, I love Harley Davidson t-shirts. They had heaps of just vintage college tees and all that kind of stuff. But as soon as I saw this jumper, I knew I had to get it. One, it's red, which is my favorite color, as I'm pretty sure most of you would know. But two, this is what drew me into it. It just says lifeguard on it. Fun fact, I wanted to be a lifeguard when I was younger so bad, and then I realized I can't actually swim, so like my dream kind of got like thrown away. I can swim, and I'm actually, no, I am a good swimmer, but like I'm not like a technique-y swimmer. Like I am probably so shit at like freestyle and backstroke and stuff, but I'm amazing at like mermaid swim, because that's kind of how I taught myself how to swim. So saving lives, probably not. Mermaid swimming in the ocean, I'm amazing at. So yeah, I had to pick up this jumper when I saw it. It isn't an oversized fit, like it's actually kind of small on me, whereas all my other jumpers I feel like are pretty big, because I like my jumpers pretty big. And I kind of like that it's a bit smaller because it looks really like petite, kind of. I don't know how to explain it. I literally have wanted a jumper like this for so long. Ever since like Baywatch came out, Zac Efron wore like a jumper like this. I wanted one so bad, so when I saw this I had to get it. So yeah, I'm so happy with this purchase. Okay, the next top that I got was just this basic graphic tee. Going into Black Friday shopping, I was like, okay, I need to buy t-shirts because I literally have like 4 and I wear them all the time. I think I've probably worn this in about 300 YouTube videos. Or like my Harley t-shirts I always wear. So I wanted some more graphic tees, and I really like this one. So this is what it looks like. It just has Elton John on it, and it's just super duper cute. I obviously got it oversized because I love everything super oversized, so I got it in a large. Yeah, I love it. I definitely needed just casual t-shirts because I literally have none. I always buy like dressy clothes and never just anything to be casual, so I definitely had to pick this up. I'm going to show some other stuff and then I'm going to leave my favorite. So the next thing that I bought is actually something kind of different for me because, I don't know, it's just a bit different for me. So it's this tan top. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's just this tanned halter neck top. The material is like super weird. It's kind of like a bather material, and it also came with a matching skirt, but I actually didn't pick up the skirt because it just looked really weird on me, to be honest. But they also had this in black, which I probably will go back and pick it up. But this top was so flattering on me, and I kind of picked it up thinking, oh my god, I really like this top, but it's not gonna look good on me, but I'll just chuck it in anyway and try it on. And I actually was so surprised. Like, it held my boobs up really good, because usually tops like this are not really catered towards people that have larger chests, but this top just looked so flattering on me. So if you have larger, definitely pick this top up because it's so cute. Also, I don't have anything in this color. Like, I was like, I'm gonna be different and get this one instead of the black. Okay, so the next top that I picked up was also from the vintage collection, and I love this top so much. So it's just this gray crop top, just look like that. Gray vintage crop top, and it says the University of Alabama on it. That feels weird to say in an Australian accent. Alabama. The University of Alabama. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love that it's cropped. It's like super just baggy, oversized, so it's super like tomboy vibes, which I feel like my style is very tomboy-ish, kind of. Vintage, pre-worn, pre-loved, one of a kind, which I think is so cute. So yeah, I love this t-shirt, and this is gonna look really cute just to chuck on in summer, because as I said, I needed basic tops to just chuck on, and I definitely got that during this shopping trip, which I'm really happy with because I needed it. Yeah, my summer wardrobe is nearly completed, but I do want to get a few more bits to make sure that I have like everything that I need. If you want to see another summer haul, let me know. We are finally at the stage where I can show you my favorite purchase. It is this vintage tee. I know you're probably thinking that looks exactly like the last one, but I actually picked this one up first, loved it so much that I just found one that looked exactly the same as well. This one says 2011 AFC Conference Champions New England Patriots. An NFL crop top, and I'm literally obsessed with it. It fits so good, guys. It's cropped, but but it's baggy, so it's not like unflattering on me. I always find like crop tops sometimes can look really unflattering on me because I have bigger boobs. The crop top will literally be like up here on me because it has to like get over, you know what I mean? So I always kind of need my crop tops a bit bigger and a bit larger, but then they look weird. But these ones didn't. These ones were so nice and they're such good quality, and I love the fact that they're vintage because it's already had an amazing life and you can give it like a new journey, I guess. So yeah, this is my favorite purchase that I picked up. I'm so happy with it. Yeah, that is literally everything that I got. Super quick video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I love filming hauls. My bank account doesn't, but I love filming them. So if you guys want to see more, let me know. This is everything that I bought for Black Friday. If you want to see a summer haul, let me know and I will film that for you guys. But yeah, bye guys. Mwah.